Alright, let's cut right to it. The NFL's season opener. Cowboys vs Eagles. And honestly, when I first heard it, my reaction was, that's the game we're starting with? The article points out that outside of the most die-hard Dallas fans, pretty much nobody was begging for this specific matchup to kick off the entire year. I mean, the Eagles looked like a juggernaut last season, especially after September, while the Cowboys, well, they were 7-10. Vegas already has Philly as a 7-point favorite. 7 points in Week 1. It feels less like a marquee matchup and more like throwing the Cowboys to the Wolves. You look around the league. There were other, arguably better, games they could have picked. Detroit had an incredible 15-2 run. The Commanders actually beat the Eagles late in the season, so why this game? But here's the thing, and the article makes this crystal clear. The NFL doesn't care about the most competitive game for the opener. They care about the most watched game. And the Dallas Cowboys, love them or hate them, are the biggest draw in American sports. Period. Good or bad, the star brings in the eyeballs. You've got storylines with Doc returning, George Pickens joining the offense, it generates buzz. Last year's opener, a fantastic game between the Chiefs and Ravens, set a viewership record at almost 29 million. This Cowboys-Eagles game, even if it's not close, has a genuine chance to top that number. The NFL is playing chess here. They're using the guaranteed ratings power of the Cowboys and Eagles rivalry to set a massive benchmark for the season, all while saving other potentially more competitive matchups for later in the schedule. It's a pure business decision. And while we might grumble that it's not the most balanced or exciting game on paper, the harsh truth is, millions upon millions of us are still going to be glued to the screen on that Thursday night. Because that's just the way it is with the Cowboys and the Eagles. It's the ultimate reality show opening night.